This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone down and grounding yourself to avoid ESD damage. Once done, remove the SIM tray and gently heat the lower edge to soften adhesive so the screen lifts without cracking. Uses 0. 5 suction cup and thin picks around the seam, and pry evenly, don't force one corner. After opening, immediately disconnect the battery so you can safely access the TrueDepth assembly. Make sure to keep screws organized by size and position on a labeled mat. You next remove the front sensor bracket and expose the TrueDepth flex cables. Use a plastic spudger so you don't short pins. Carefully unlock and lift the Face ID cable, then the flood illuminator and dot projector connectors. Observe orientation for reassembly. Inspect the flex, connector pads, and camera housing under magnification for bends, corrosion, or debris. If you see contamination, clean with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush. Then allow full drying. Make sure no fiber. You now reseat or replace the damaged TrueDepth flex or module, aligning the dot projector and flood illuminator precisely into their housings so optics line up. Once parts are seated, reconnect the battery and do a soft boot. Go into settings and attempt a Face ID enrollment to verify camera function. If Face ID fails, power down and recheck connectors and housing alignment. Misalignment is the most common cause. If problems persist after retries, replace with a calibrated OEM module or seek professional calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.